Hello everyone, I am Lukman and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to do something interesting and something very useful to the country. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free gas instead of buying gas. As you know, there is a issue in our country and we are having some gas crisis in Sri Lanka. So now let me show you how it works. So this is the power supply, and in here you get a air blower, or this is called a fish tank, where you get oxygen from here to the fish tank. And in here you get two places where oxygen comes, and this is petrol, so it get blowed inside. So once it get blowed, the bubbles will be forming some type of gas. So from that gas you can see that there is a empty tube in here. That one, it gets the gas. So this is water, H2O. So the thing I have put water in here is because if there is any problem and if the gas gets through in, it cannot burn to the petrol. You can see that there is some safety in here. So if you put water in here, it will be more safe. So the thing which I have done is air blower, that to the petrol. So once it get bubble, it releases a gas, and that one to this water. So you can see that it blows inside, so it's safe. And in here you can see that there's another one empty tube. So this is the tube which releases the gas. So now let us see how it works. So now I want to show you how the process starts. So first you need to on the power supply switch. So once you on, you can see that it's getting bubbled, so it's forming some gas, and that is going to the water, so for the safety. So now I'll show you how it works. So now see, now when I keep it, you can see that it works. So this is free gas, you can get it, and it's very useful for the current situation in Sri Lanka. So once you off the switch, it will get off. So it's useful. Gas is getting formed here. So that is coming from the petrol. So in here you can see that gas is being formed from petrol. So if you want to know how to make this, please look at the description. So hope this video was interesting. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like and share this video to your friends. Thank you.